Hello class, good morning. So today, I'll discuss multiplying and dividing integers that you can find on page 209 to 214. So let's proceed in multiplication and division or multiplying and dividing integers. So in negative times negative integer, the answer is positive. In multiplication, negative times positive is negative, positive times negative is negative, and positive times positive is positive. Next is in division, negative divided by positive is negative, positive divided by positive is positive, negative divided by negative is positive, and positive divided by negative is negative. So here are the examples. 2 times negative 5. So as I've said a while ago, positive times negative is equal to negative. 2 times 5 is 10, or the product of two unlike signs. Okay, whether it is positive, negative, negative, positive, the answer is always negative. Next, 3 times 5 is 15. Positive, negative, negative. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Positive, negative, negative. Next, positive, positive. So that's positive. 4 times 3 is 12. Negative, negative is positive. 5 times 4 is 20. I will repeat the product of two integers with unlike sign is negative, and the product of two integers with like sign, positive, positive, negative, negative, is always positive, or we don't need to write positive here. So that's it in multiplication or in multiplying integers. Another example in multiplication using three integers. We have positive 3, negative 9, and negative 2. So since we only have one common operation, which is multiplication, so we'll start by 3 and negative 9. So 3 times negative 9, the answer is negative 27. Then copy negative 2. Since they have the same sign, which is negative, and the rule is if the integers, okay, or the integers with two like signs, the product is positive. So negative times negative is positive. Then 27 times 2 is 54. Positive 54, or you don't need to write the positive sign. So let's proceed in dividing integers. So I've said a while ago that positive divided by negative is negative, negative divided by positive is negative, or the quotient of two integers with unlike sign is always negative. The quotient of two integers with unlike sign is always negative, and the quotient of two integers with like sign is always positive. So negative divided by negative is positive, positive divided by positive is positive. So in this case, 6 divided by negative 2, negative 3. Negative 12 divided by negative 3, that is 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. Or we can also write this one in multiplication format. So negative 3 times negative 2. Okay. Just multiply the quotient and the divisor is equal to 6. 4 times negative 3 is equal to negative 12. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. And negative 5 times 3 is equal to negative 15. So that's it. So let's proceed to this example. So as you can see, this is number 1, negative 18 plus negative 8 divided by negative 2. We have two operations, which is addition and division. So we'll start with division by following the order of operation. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4 plus plus 18 or negative 18. So negative 18 plus negative 4, the answer is negative 22. So let's proceed with this one. 8 times negative 4 plus negative 2 to the third power minus 10 divided by 12. So following the order of operation, the PEMDAS or the GEMDAS rule, we should start with the exponent. So negative 2 raised to 3, it can be written as negative times negative 2 times negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So since that is negative 8, then the next thing that we're going to do is the multiplication. So 8 times negative 4, or let's just copy first. 8 times negative 4. Then there is an addition sign here. So 8 times negative 4 is negative 32 plus negative 8 minus 10 divided by 2. So the next step now, after multiplication, then division. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then copy. Okay, so next step is addition. Negative 32 plus 8 or negative 8 is negative 40 minus 5. So the answer is negative 40 minus 5, negative 45. For your activity, answer practice A and B on page 216. Take a photo of your answer, send it via private message, deadline January 5, 2021.